Hello friends, I'm Saurabh from SimplyTech. In this video, we will see how to add a Favicon to a WordPress website. Favicon is a small image at top of the tab. Log in to your WordPress website, go to Customize, then to Site Identity. There is option to select Site icon. Site icon is same as Favicon. You can create your own Favicon or download it. The best place to download is icons8.com. Here you can download Favicon for free. As you can see, there is variety of options and you need to select the one which suits you the most and download it. Browse and upload the Favicon to your image gallery. Select and crop it if required. Now your site displays the Favicon or site icon. Thank you. If it was helpful, like the video and subscribe my channel.